Okay guys, today we're copying a $10 account, and now I've put a few buy position on the pair Euro GBP, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so first indicator for a buy position is in the M15 time frame. We have a QM buy pattern. So as you can see, higher high and lower low. So we have to buy on the right shadow. Okay, so now we will look in a higher time frame. Okay, so now on time frame H1, we can see a dominant break. Over 3 candle has broke a bearish candle. So now we can use Fibo retracement. So on the lowest shadow, we put the level 0, and on the third one, we put the level 100. And now we will take profit at the level 161.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we have successfully reached our point of interest, and I will now take profits. Okay guys, now I will search for a new opportunity on other pairs. Okay, so now I found a new opportunity on gold. Okay, so now why I sell here, let's see. As you can see on H1, price make goes up, but on the awesome oscillator it goes down. So we have a divergence, and now we can go in a lower time frame, and as you can see we also have a divergence. So now I will take profit at the next demand area, so right below. Okay, so now I mark the take profit area and I'm going to wait.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, price has dropped a few pips. Now let me take profits. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like it.